Pastor Thomas White extended an invitation to me to the Seventh-day Adventist Church. About 2 days later, he called me and told me that he has a book for me. When I received this book, it was the 28 Fundamental Doctrine of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. I wrapped it to disguise it from my wife because I believe she's seen me studying this book. She would become upset that I'm thinking of becoming a Seventh-day Adventist Christian. While reading this book, my belief becomes stronger and stronger till I decided to visit church. Under this guise, I went to church one Sabbath, I worshiped, and I went home. I went back a second time, went home the third time. She happened to see inside of the book, and she said, "Oh, this is what you are studying. So you are thinking of becoming a Seventh-day Adventist?" And I answered, yes, with a timidness that she would oppose. But to my surprise then, she was very receptive, asked relevant questions. And then my third visit to church, she said to me, "I am coming." I was baptized in May 2010. And the same year, Pastor Thomas White was my pastor at the time for that district, asked me to do a 4-week crusade. And the first group to surrender their life to God, a group of 8, one of the persons in that group was my wife. At the conclusion of the crusade, 34 souls was added to the kingdom of God. And a company was formed, and the church started in Boston, Portland.